Hi there, Piper. Looks like you're enjoying your Tuffet. Yeah, looks like that one needs to be repaired too. I already did the one in the office. Yeah, what do you do to these things? You get very enthusiastic and it just kind of tears in the corner, huh? Well, that's easy to fix. Yes, it is. You make that Tuffet look great, you know that? Even if it's torn, it looks beautiful because you're sitting on it. Look at my sweetie sitting on the torn Tuffet. Oh, something in the hallway again? Yeah, you're always such a good security guard. Yeah, you make people feel safe, don't you? Yeah.